Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Lonne, and today I'll be showing you this fantastic 4-bedroom home by Miller Homes. This one is called the Denwood. Beautiful edifice there. The first room we're going to have a nosy at is the lounge space. Now, this lounge space was very well presented by the decorator. We do have two armchairs with that luxurious sheep-like boucle fabric. The decorator went all out with the neutral tones in here, giving it a calm, cozy feeling. The curtains in here and the windows do also appeal to the eye. The armchairs give it a conversational feeling. I do believe this would be a great adult space. There is a console sideboard there, which would be great to have a telly over if you do want to turn it into a more entertainment of an area. These bay windows in Miller Homes never let down. They let in a lot of natural light. Even in a room of this size, it does give it a more airy and vibrant feeling. In this lounge space here, it does compose of a good amount of decor. We've got mirrors, side lamps, great artwork on the walls, and they have managed to fit in there a round table. As you know, round tables are great for space and great for the knees. So moving on, we are going to take it back into this gorgeous hallway. The hallway does have a bit of a darker art on the wall. It's a great wallpaper. It does work in this space. In some spaces, it might make it a little bit darker, but I completely approve with the decorators' choices in here. They did continue that dark vibe into the downstairs WC here. At the bottom, we do have those neutral tiles and great laminate flooring. Great for the traffic that you will get in this downstairs WC, as it won't be that much, but it will be enough just to protect that flooring. Now, as you can see, the wallpaper halfway to the top is much darker, giving it that luxe vibe without doing too much. It is the typical WC. We do have a sink with a single lever. We do have the heated towel rails in chrome and a great toilet itself with a push button system. From that toilet in the hallway, we are going to go into the open plan kitchen diner, and it does have a surprise for you. There is a little bit of a lounge space here, which makes sense as to why the other lounge space was more of a conversational and formal dining room. I do believe this was where all the kitties will be hiding. They will be close to the nearest snack aisle. So this is a great family room here. There you can see the TV is now on the wall. We do have that lovely owl sofa, and it does give you an overflow space for entertainment and just everyday living. There is a gorgeous oval table in this space, and this oval table can accommodate 6 people comfortably. I will come back to the oval table, but I really wanted to show you this kitchen. We've got a sleek electric hob with an extractor fan, and I do like the neutral tones that are continued into the kitchen. The brass gold handles work really well as a contrast piece to a very modern kitchen. I do like a sink that is looking out into the garden. It makes that dishwashing process a little bit less mundane, and there is a gorgeous laundry room here. This laundry room is actually attached to another space here, and this space is a great storage space to have in a house this size. It means you don't have to drag that Hoover up and down the stairs. Back into this kitchen, I didn't want to leave this kitchen without showing you the wonderful integrated appliances that may come with different options of the house. In this case, we do have 2 ovens, which is great. One can be used as a heater for your food, and one can be cooking that turkey during Thanksgiving. And then up there we do have a fridge freezer that are integrated into the kitchen as well. Unfortunately, the home does not come with this gorgeous oval table, but it does give us a really good idea of how we could set this house up. The perfect positioning of the oval table allows us to use it as a great space for entertainment during those summer days through those gorgeous French doors, which help us gain access to this beautifully well manicured garden. Miller Homes really pulled out all the stops for the gardens this time. That gardens were looking great. And this is an overview of that gorgeous open plan kitchen and the hallway leading to the top floor and the lounge space. I do like the decor in here. It was very well thought out, and I enjoyed touring the downstairs of this house. And the windows were letting in a lot of natural light. Now, unfortunately, guys, this house does not come with a husband sitting on your furniture. I wish it did, but it just does not. I'm going to be heading upstairs very soon just to show you what's up there and what kind of space we are looking at with the 4-bedroom home. The first bedroom I wanted to show you was the principal bedroom. Now, this principal bedroom has this little walk-in closet section that is attached to the ensuite. I thought this was a beautiful touch. The walk-in closet had fitted mirrors that are sort of tinted, but a really great touch to the principal bedroom there. And it does have a window so that you're able to see yourself clearly and aerate that space, which is wonderful. The ensuite also has its own little window and half tiles. Now, these half tiles were a great touch. They are beautiful and gave the ensuite a very clean, sleek look. I loved everything that was about this ensuite. It's a good size ensuite as well. Heading into the principal bedroom, you have to leave the ensuite / walk-in wardrobe area, and you're presented to this spacious bedroom here. And the decor in here, of course, it's giving glamour. It's giving mommy and daddy. It's giving, it's just giving very modern, which I like. It's a little bit different. The bed is facing the window. Again, this would be nice to wake up to. There's enough space to walk around the bed comfortably. Side tables available and floating side lamps. I think they did a great job here. There is another little space, another nook, which I really enjoyed here. They had a full body mirror. You could definitely have a computer desk if you're a working person. You can have it as a makeup station area. Heading into this sweet bedroom. Now, this bedroom is adorable. Another bedroom that is a child's bedroom. This wallpaper was everywhere. It is very cute in here. It's a single bed, side tables on either side, double window. Great room. I really enjoyed touring this part of the room. Then heading on into the bathroom. The bathroom is a great sized bathroom. Floor to ceiling tiles in this bathroom here. And then we do have a 4-piece. So we do have the bathtub, toilet, sink, and a separate shower, which in this day and time is getting more and more popular. I do believe the bath is a nice size bath as well. Nothing to say wrong about this bathroom. Wonderful bathroom. And then next bedroom here. This next bedroom is also very well presented. Double bed fits comfortably. We do have a little shelving station here that can be a definite getting ready mirror table area for yourself. We do have side table that fit comfortably, a great wallpaper in the wall. And this one does have a fitted wardrobe, which we love to see. If you want to, you can opt for it to be a mirrored fitted wardrobe, which would also make this space feel even more spacious, which would be ideal. And then surprise bedroom with an ensuite. So we have 2 ensuite rooms in this house, which is wonderful. This would make a great guest bedroom if you don't need as many bedrooms. So this is wonderful. It's got its own little shower, sink, and toilet. It does have a window in here and heated rail for your towels or your guests' towels.
This is gorgeous.
We do have another bedroom with fitted wardrobes. These times they're mirrored, just how I like them. Beautiful. They do bounce the light around the room. And then this bedroom here is a little bit more grown up, a little bit bougie. It does have a proper chair and table for the makeup. I do like this bedroom. I think it is sweet. Let me know what you think. That's all the bedrooms I had for you guys. This is the whole house. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, share, like, encourage the girl. And I will see you on the next one. Bye 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 bye.